Hello. Good morning. Bean fingers, what is bean fingers? Okay. Morning, yeah. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I have good news.
Hi.
The title
Hello, Cakez.
of the Gamma is done. The guy was fast. He's good and fast. Happy about it. Already paid him too. Thanks for AI for gifting me $50 yesterday, so I only had to pay like $50 because of you. Thank you very much. I know who it was, the person who did it. Thank you. I know who you are. I appreciate it a lot. You did it anonymously.
Hello.
So I don't know if you want to be shouted out. So, but in any case, I really appreciate it a lot. 38 days left. Yeah, it's a lot. I know. So why so many days? Curious. Yeah, okay. We talk about it again. It's fine. The release date of the game is going to be February 9. March 9. Together with the Steam Next, not Fest, but Steam Tower Defense Fest. Which, luckily, I can join because I'm making a tower defense game. That's the idea. And I'll explain a little bit later why that is. But the gist of it is we are going to get a lot more attention to the game than we originally would. And release is always a good window to do a big push. And that would be the biggest push we could get. And I'm pretty sure, pretty sure that the Tower Defense Fest will be the same as like Steam Next Fest, right? In terms of visibility. So if we get the same visibility in the Tower Defense Fest than in Steam Next Fest, then that'll be like an additional, like it doubled my wish lists when I had that. So I went from 1,000 to over 2,000, and I had an average player count of, I think, 10 or more players during that time, which was amazing. And so, yeah. That's why we're gonna release it then. It is lower, but it is decent. Next Fest is much more popular. I see. Niche Fest are better? Okay, so there's two conflicting messages already. But in any case, it's a long while till then. I realize that. And so that will mean that we will spend more time making stuff that I would not... Oh, sorry, Mr. D-Boy. Sorry, I missed it. Thank you very much for raiding. I appreciate it. Sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Thanks very much for the raid. I didn't see that, but appreciate it. Nonetheless, hope you're doing good. Hope your game's going well as well. Like, how's it going? Like, you released it already, didn't you? But yeah. That's how it's gonna be. Not gonna lie, Cakes made me scared of hiring a capsule
so out
artist.
Of touch?
Yeah.
No.
Jinxie _ 007
That was a
is
nightmare.
gifting one sub to the community.
That is true. Thank you very much, Jinxie. I appreciate it. For gifting us up. To Jinxie. No, to who? To Mr. D-Boy. Thank you. How long have you spent on the game? 4 years in total, but I made the engine and everything myself, so 2 years and 2 years. 2 years on the engine and 2 years on the game. Good work on the capsule. Thank you. So this is the capsule and the logo is done too. You guys want to see the logo? I'm going to update all these. These are all of the different images. By the way, I gotta fix the stuff. I did that yesterday. I guess I didn't do it correctly. I guess I did not. Can I just copy it over? Whatever. We're gonna fix that here real quick. Let me fix that. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to do this just now. Yeah. Thought I had copied the correct one. Sorry about this. The stuff does look kind of bad when we don't have that. The guy did not do a good job in giving us good stuff. Oops. Yeah, so basically that's the story about the release. I'm not too happy about it either, guys. Quite frankly, I want it to be over. It's been a 4-year journey. And yeah, it was great and all, but I really want to move on. I want to make something new. Another game, another shot, right? Luckily we do get another shot, so why spend much more time on this? But it does make sense to release it with the Tower Defense Fest. To wait the time, to not rush it now, than to sit down later and say, shit, I should have done it differently. I don't want to go back like 1 or 2 years and say, damn it, I should have done it differently. Why did I not wait, right? So I think that's the biggest mistake that you could do, especially at the end when it gets difficult. I gotta be honest with you guys, the end of making a game is the most difficult. So hard. Like, I thought programming a game was hard. Damn, like I knew nothing. Well, it's crazy how difficult that is. Because it's not only the stuff that you have to do. Yeah, you gotta do stuff, fine. But it's the fear of making a mistake or of missing something. And especially the fear of, well, it's not gonna do well, right? If you're sitting there with 40,000 wish lists and you're like, okay, you know very likely your game is gonna be doing good. But if you're sitting there with a couple thousand wish lists, never released a game, not looking too hot, right? Maybe not even 1,000 wish lists, bruh. You're like, and you spent 4 years on it, bruh. That is just a terrible place to be in. Gotta be honest. Okay, I updated it. Good stuff. I don't wanna click on the wrong thing. Who is Zoe? Ayanda, read my comment, broski. Are you Indian? No, I'm German. Marv Random? No. The release date is going to be March 9, and I'll talk about why in a second, like in more extensive, but I forgot that I did not fix the stuff, which I should have done. I should have realized before, but I did all of the capsules. Okay, guys, you ready? Let's look at the most important capsule, this one. You guys ready for the title? And on a scale of 1 to 10, okay? I want you guys to tell me what you think of the logo. Ready? Chat, are you ready for the logo? 3, 2,
I don't want to be like
1.
Cakez. Seven,
9, 9, 6. 6, 7, 5. 8.2, 4. The text looks AI. Kids mobile game. 6 out of 7. 6 out of 7. Oh, 6, 7. I see. 5.
Fuck Cakez, fuck Cakez, fuck Cakez, fuck Cakez.
Remove the shield. Removing the shields will destroy contrast, and you won't be able to see the title properly. I tried that. It looks bad. Also, this is not actually the title. This is just a placeholder title. I downloaded the right one already. Just did not put it in there yet. Yeah, here we go. That's actually the logo. But I think it's the same, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same. Why is it so small? Like, what is the size of it? 5,000. Why is that so small then? Weird. But I think it's the same. I cropped his logo so I could work on it already. But this is the the logo. I think he placed stuff a bit differently. No, that's the same. There we go. So that is the logo. And I'm happy. It is definitely much better than this. Okay, guys? So if we have this or this, I like this a lot more. What app are you using? This is called Photopea. Photopea online photo editor. Can Google that. Show us without shield. I can't. He didn't give me without shield. I can ask him if he could give me a without shield. We could try without shield too, of course. But I really like this title. It looks clean. I'm happy about it. And he did put important stuff that is reminiscent of tower defense games into the title itself. So... no, he can remove it. It's fine. I'm pretty sure he can do it. Why is there a big fork? It's supposed to be a tower. It's not a fork. My stream is not loading on Twitch. Oh, hello here. Who am I? I'm watching on YouTube. That's sad. I don't know why. Maybe Twitch is dying or something. Man. And yeah, guys, I'm getting sick again. You can hear from my nose. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that great? Sassy as he was taking a sip from a Coca-Cola. I get it. Yeah, I'm drinking Coca-Cola. I get it. But it's not like the Coca-Cola is turning me sick, okay? Like, I'm drinking water too, okay? I have water here too. I'm just drinking Coca-Cola right now, okay? I'm not drinking... I actually drink a little too much. But it's not the problem of why I'm getting sick, okay? That's not the reason. Uploaded without shield. No, he's gonna give me without shield. Pepsi makes you healthy. Ah, I doubt that. But hey. By the way, guys, thank you very much still for joining on Kick. I appreciate that a lot. Jinxie, you too, my man. Hope you enjoy the content there. I'll just let you know that if you're not subscribed, you can easily join on Kick without paying any money. You can watch for free without any ads, and you support me. I get money for you watching. Just saying, you know. If you wanna, support me a little bit, you can join there. No, a different artist made the logo. But I like it. I'm happy about it. I really like it a lot. And I spent a little bit more time on the capsule itself. You might be able to tell that I put a lot of rats in the background here. I guess I put this guy here, and then I put goblins on the road in the background. And maybe this guy could move a bit here. So we can see him better. I think I should have done that. Cake is run by predators. Oh, I see. I mean, you're watching on YouTube, so I guess you can say something like that. But if you're watching on Twitch, you can't really tell. You can't really say anything. Because Twitch is just as bad. So yeah, I'm very happy. Well, I'm not going to save that yet. Yeah, it turned out very well. And so I spent all day placing stuff, making basically the different capsules. Man. No, not this. This Goblin, Gaussian filter, Gaussian blur is too much Gaussian blur. Can I edit that? I can. Nice. like that. Okay. Yeah, so what do you guys think of the new capsule? You like it? So these are all of the different images. I made them already. I placed them differently than the artist did. And now all we gotta do is just export them. Put the title here, export them, and upload them to Steam. And then I'll just set the release date there, but it's going to be March 9th, which is a long time. Still a long time, unfortunately, but it's going to be March 9th. Yeah, so yeah, the range will be a problem, I know. The text is obstructed. This one is not good. I know what you mean. I don't know how to make it better though, to be honest. What? Why release on the fast? Why not 1 week before? It could also be 1 week before, but thank you. Yeah, cool. Wait, what's the difference here? Yeah. Oh, background. He put a background on one of them. Okay. Let me save image. Steam will refuse your game if it's this way? What do you mean if it's this way? This will... Guys, will this make... Like, the logo needs to be clearly visible. Really? I didn't know that. So, wait. Let me get this straight. The service I paid for made me a capsule art that would be denied by Steam. You kidding me? Is that real? So I paid 500 euros to get denied by Steam because my logo is not legible and it's obscured by the Tangy on the top. Yeah. Because I remember there being some sort of rule that the logo needs to be legible, but I'm not 100% sure. If the title isn't readable, they will reject it, Cakez. I don't know if this would be unreadable or not. Let's see. Let me open up an old one of mine. Yeah, this one, right? The vertical capsule. Or was it the main? I don't know, library. I called it library capsule. Library capsule. Let's open up library capsule. I did that on the library capsule. I know they are changeable, but I paid money for something that I need to change and that I need to change, right? You know how much time I spent just changing this stuff today? Almost 6 hours. Let's say 5. I ate in between, but still. If you count yesterday, it's almost 8. Bro, your name is really difficult to say. L-I? Really? The reason why the release date is increasing is because I changed the release date. I was originally gonna release the game in February. Then we had a lot of issues with the artist for the capsule art. It got delayed by almost 3 weeks now. I was gonna have the capsule art 3 weeks ago, actually. I didn't get it. And then once I got the capsule art yesterday, I think. Oh, day, was it yesterday? Wednesday. Yeah, I think I got it yesterday. Or the day before yesterday, evening. So on Tuesday evening this week, I got it. And like, I had a capsule where the enemies were floating mid-air. For example. Like, oops. Yeah, so in any case, I talked to a couple of people that know a lot more about marketing than I do. And I asked them what they would do if they were to release... if they were to release my game. What would they do? How would they release it? And they told me they would wait until March. Really lol. They would wait until March because the Tower Defense Fest is there. And it's after Steam Next Fest. Releasing during Steam Next Fest is a bad idea because you get drowned by all of the other games that are being promoted during Steam Next Fest. And so yeah, that's what I decided to do then. And so now I can spend more time. I will most likely tackle localization. When is the next fest again? I think it's the... Let me go... I think it's the 23rd. Or the 6th. I think it's the 23rd. Till the 1st. In February. Animate water? Yeah, I don't know. Like, I think I'd rather make another level with another boss for you guys. So we have 8 bosses in the game and there's 9 maps. And then maybe I can do a 10th map. And then we have 10 maps and 8 bosses. Like, think about it, right? Sounds a lot better than 9 maps and 8 bosses, right? 10 maps and 8 bosses? Hey, that's enough bosses. Playtest is not done yet. I've been busy with the capsule art the last couple of days, my friend. We need to playtest. I know there will be some people that will playtest. But yeah, so that's what I've done. And let's check the title. Sorry, he gave me another title. Let's test it. This guy's also like in the wrong position. I want him to be here. So yeah, I was not too happy. This is one of the important capsules that you need to have or need to do. And now I think it works very well. And let's put the logo in there. We had this logo for now before. Let's put the logo without. So he put this one. He gave me this one. I mean, it is legible a lot. Like, it's good. It is good. Damn. Like, that is insanely legible. I like it. The arrow looks like a bark, like a fly. My wife said that too. Because it's so short, I know, yeah. He added the shadow to make it readable. Yeah. Would you do this too? Or does that look bad? Now, obviously, you could do a different color, right? I don't know. Would you do that too or no? Not needed, Immo? I don't think you need it. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we could turn it on off. No? The cool thing, and the one thing that I like a lot, guys, I should not do this, right? I should not do this, correct? Correct? Or do you think a slight bend is okay? I'm gonna talk about why it is 38 days time in a second. How is it an arrow if you can't see the pierced arrow behind? Oh, maybe. Pierced arrow behind? Making it a bit... Yeah, I could ask him. So no bend? Bad? Yeah, okay. So no bend. All right. I'm gonna ask. I told him to remove the arrow because it looks bad. Maybe just more shading around the hole here for the A. Like maybe this shading could work here. I don't know. You're gonna ask him to try, like, put the arrow through? Didn't realize there was an error. Yeah, my wife thought it was a bug. She said it was a Biene in English, which is like was it like the zzz, those? Cause Zoe always says Biene, Biene, Biene. A bee, yeah. A bee, yeah. Yeah, I think the reason why is because it does look a little flat. Like there's no shadow below the and yeah, I get why there is no shadow here. I understand to read the A, but yeah. Maybe it just does not work at all. I really like the arrow though. But yeah. Guten Tag, wie geht's? Hey, Jonathan Smith. Thanks for asking, man. You always ask. Good. I'm a little sick, but otherwise I'm happy because I got a new title and I'm very happy about it. It was a bit expensive, but like comparing this to this, I would say it's night and day. And guys, you haven't even realized maybe, but the colors match Tangy's dress. You see? Yellow, yellow, green, green. Works very well. Tangy TD. It's like a reference. You understand? Because she's Tangy. Now, obviously no one's gonna understand that at a glance, but still, there's like this color coding in there. Where do all the logos come from now? Like, that logo is made by another artist. That's just a variation of the same logo. That logo is done by someone in chat in pixel art, and then he turned it into real art. That logo was done by the Capsule artist. That logo is AI. That's my logo from pixel art fed into AI, asking it to turn it from pixel art into normal art. So that's AI. That logo is done by the Capsule artist. So the Capsule artist, we have 2 logos from him. I didn't like it too much and asked someone else to do a logo for me. And this is the final result. And I think it wins out of all of the logos.
Commit and push immediately, and then go back.
I'm gonna put it on, but maybe he's changing something now. I don't know. He's doing it, Cakez? Okay. Oh shit, I didn't ask the sound guy. Oh wow, the sound guy is such a nice person, man. God, I like this guy. Holy shit. What a nice person. I'm so lucky. Like, who? Mark Unread! Hey! Are you stupid? I need it as a to-do. I need to restart Discord. I hate that. Like Discord, like guys, has Discord been acting up for you lately? Like for me it has. I literally, like the Capsule artist wrote me Tuesday evening, hey, the Capsule, like I got the money, right? Which means I can finally get the fucking Capsule art. And I was like, nice, finally get the fucking Capsule art. Let's go. And I go to my PC at home and I click open up Discord. And you know what it gave me? This one all day. I was sitting there for like 5 minutes like, what are you doing? Come on! Like it did nothing. What's going on with Discord, guys? Use the web version? I don't think the web version is gonna help, man. While we wait. Yeah, great. It's another delay. I love it. I just love that, man. Oh. Eh? What is this? Oh, these are the trees. I see. Give me a sec while I wait for Discord to stop being annoying. Just gonna move some of those trees. Good, and then we do L, D, nuts, and move that. Good. I think that looks a bit better. That's all. Okay. Ah, thank God. Mark unread worked. Thank goodness. Ooh. Now we could try. Copy. Save image. What was that face? Not muted, sounds like... Shade 11, stop fucking spamming. You're annoying. 5 minutes. He spent it like... He said it like 10 times, bruh. Shut up! Logo, no shield, arrow. Okay, I wasn't planning on doing the... dissecting the logo, but I guess fine. Here, that's the last version of the logo. Okay, guys, I want to move on. If you guys don't like the logo perfectly, I think it's good enough. But here is the arrow through the logo. I don't think you can tell that this is an arrow from, like, it looks like a bee. It is how it is. It is a bee, guys. At this size, it's a bee. 100%. I don't think... It looks like a fly, yeah. It might not, just might not work. I don't know, how big do we make it like this? Pin the links of wishlist. Oh, yeah, you're right. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's pin that here from YouTube. Now we can understand that's an error. Yeah, but you need to zoom in. But I guess it's fine. Let's just take that and move on. Maybe we'll figure out a better version at some point, but I gotta move on, guys. I don't want to hold up myself on that too much. Thank you guys for the feedback. I appreciate it. This is going to be the logo. I think the problem is that this part is too short. this here, but I understand if you make it too far into the N, then it's colliding with the N. Anyway, so this is gonna be the capsule for now. Let's upload it. Is the logo in a good position? I think it is, right? Let's save that. So this is going to be the most important capsule. Saving. Save. And you know what? I'm going to delete all the other versions. I'm tired of... Like, I don't need to show what the artist has done before, right? I don't need to save like 10 different versions. Center the logo between the wand and the edge. What? What? Fuck off. What? Just moving it to the right a bit, is what you guys are saying. You're my man, Tobias. Thank you very much for gifting another 5 memberships. I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much, bro. The T is a little tower, yeah. Gap between stuff and T. Okay, a little gap, like this. Fine. Let's store the stuff and copy the logo. All right. 1,206 here. So this. So we're gonna do number 2, and we're gonna delete that. We're gonna do number 2. I'm going to save over all number 2s now, because number 2 is mine. Number 1 is what I got from Red Potion Studios. So this one's done. And we're going to take the logo folder, copy, and I think, oops, since these are, yeah, we should be good. So let's save that. Let's go to the library. The library hero does not have a logo, right? Which capsule image does not have a logo by default? Is it the library hero? I know that the mountains and stuff is blurred and the ghost is not. It's a bit annoying, I get it. I might change that later, but on Steam no one's gonna be able to tell when they see it for now. The hero has no logo. Okay. The reason why it's blurred is because the image is provided by someone from chat. And I mean, we could try. Let me try blurring him a bit. Let's turn that into a smart object. And then we could do a filter. Gaussian blur. You guys think that would work better? Yeah? Can do that. Okay, so... layer style? No. Hey? Can I not copy? Why can I not copy the layer style? I want to copy the filter. Fine. So what? Gaussian blur is 2.5 pixels. Fine. I just gotta remember 2.5 pixels and have to do it on every single one of those. Great. Okay. So I like the blurred one more. Viel zu viel detailverliebt. Peter, if you spent 4 years on something, you think these little details would be something you'd be doing too? No. I wanted to click Save As. We're gonna talk about the 38 days in a second, my friend. I know that it sucks to see. I know that. I get it. I'll go more into detail why. Let me just upload these pictures. I think I did that already, right? Library hero. Save as. Library hero. Here we go. Number 2. That took a long time to make, by the way. That was annoying. Alright, I think this is the old logo. Like I copied that from him before paying him because I needed to save it. Alright. Oops. Ah, great. Let's do the filter first. Gaussian blur. 2.5. There we go. Good. Alright. Oh, I didn't sort this yet. I see. That's why. Alright, so where do we place this logo? And how big do we make it? Oops. This like this, guys? What do you think? Is that good? I actually, for this one, I just noticed. Let me clean it up a little bit, okay? The final one he sent you is better outline. Okay, give me a sec. Hello guys, what's up, Cakez? Hello Fruit Superman, hope you're doing good. Where's the logo from? The logo is from a guy that Null Exception knows and uses to make logos for his games. And the guy also made the logo for this game right here. Not this game. Oh yeah, by the way, we got 30 wishlists yesterday, guys. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate that a lot. We had a good stream on YouTube. I think we were averaging over 100 views the entire time, so very nice. And also like a big stream on Twitch. Very nice, I appreciate it. 33 plus 33, my brothers, thank you. The Walking Trade. He also made the logo for this game right here on Steam, Walking Trade. Wonder when that'll release, by the way. Okay, so early 2026. Yeah, 1,500 followers. Yeah, doing good. Yeah. So, I'm happy with the logo. I like it a lot. And, oh yeah, he sent another version on Discord. Let's see. The latest one. The mountains will be blurred and the guy will be blurred. Why are they blurred? I don't know, because they are. Like the artists choose to do it. I think not blurring them looks bad. I don't know, man. Okay, let's copy that. I think it's good. Save image. So that's a last image, right? That's the last version then. Thank you. I appreciate that. He made so many iterations so fast. And what I like about this a lot is... Save it, Discord! Yesterday we asked him to do a logo. Today we have a logo. And I'm sorry to say this, but it took more than 1.5 months to get the capsule art finally in my hands. More than that. Almost 2 months. And being able to work with people that are just fast and answer to your messages immediately, and there's no friction, is shut the fuck up. It's going up. Shut the fuck up. Fuck off, man. I'm trying my best, okay? Leave me alone. I'm not doing this on purpose. Logo. I mean, little smaller maybe, teeny bit smaller. All right. All right. Okay. So yeah. All right. So what I wanted to do here is just move this a little to the left, so that why would I want to move this to the left? Then I can move the logo a little to the left. That was the idea. So the foreground. Just give me 1 second, chat. Can't even see him. Man, like are all artists this? Like, it's just like it's so unordentlich in English. It makes me mad. It's so hard to work with. Like, are all artists doing that shit? It makes me mad. Sorry. Apologize. Like, look at that. Like, half of this shit I just don't need. Don't need. Why is it here if I don't need it? I want to move this, not this one. Sorry, I want to move the foreground to the left, so that we get more space. This is the important capsule, guys. Spending a lot of time on this is very, very important. Okay, this is the most important capsule of your game. That will show up on Steam the most. Getting this right is critical. And now we can move the logo a little bit in. And I like that because for those people that are looking deeper, there's this nice little ranger here. Like, you won't see it, but still. Okay, I like it more. I could move this a little to the left. Middle ground, but I think we're good now. All of these are not needed. Man. Fine, whatever. Not gonna be mad at me. I'm just making tiny adjustments, okay, guys? Because this is the most important capsule. Okay. Oh, no. This warrior. Very good. Nice. Okay, I'm happy now. But before I'm happy... There you go. Okay. I think that's good enough. Chat, do you like it? Dude, it's very looking good. Glad you like it. Okay, so that is the library header. Saved. No, it is not. I apologize, sorry. I'm wrong. We have a problem, ladies and gentlemen. We have a problem. It's here too. Here too. Where did I fix it? Here. No, I did not. Where did I fix it? Oh, I fixed it somewhere here. Here. Which? Without defender. Like, where is it? Is it here? Was it this? Oh, I changed her expression. What do you guys think? Here, I wanted to ask you guys on this. So we have her twice. Which expression do you like more? This or this? Looking at you or looking up? Guys, say look at you or look up, because I don't know what 1 and 2 means. I have one big file with all the files. Looking up. You guys you like looking ups there? So looking up, you like more? Okay. Okay. So... Oof. Shit, so I did change this one here. Wait, can I not just take that part? Copy this. Then I go here. I double click this. Ah, shit. Whatever. So we're clicking on something else, I guess. Great. So tired. Tired of making these changes. Look how broken this is. Man. What the fuck, dude? You can't be serious. All of these pixels are just broken. Man. Fucking hell. Fine, it's fine. We have her here. So I can quickly... Wait. Can I just import her? Give me a sec. Wait, sorry. Wrong one. Wrong one. That's why it took me fucking 6 hours to do this today. Cause which is it? This PNG? No, that's not it. Oh, it's which without defender that's fixed, but not which. Great. Is that annoying? What is this? Pisses me off. Sorry, guys. I really want to be done with this art stuff, right? With the capsule art stuff. And man, next fucking time, it's gonna be... I'm gonna do it myself. Or we look for someone else. Okay, so this one is not the broken one. Still some broken pixels, but not as bad as he. Oh god. Whatever, you don't see it. What the fuck, dude? Okay, and so where was it? Which number 2? Copy. Man, I'm tired. Now we're gonna pixel fuck it so fits. Alright, I think we're good. There we go. Merge down. Merge. Merge. Where's merge down there? Yeah, I have a Wacom tablet. So yes, I'll learn how to do it myself next time. Why don't you do it in pixel art, Cakez? I did. Didn't turn out that great. We'll do a comparison in a second. It's pissing me off. Anyways. So what was I doing here? Sorry guys. Okay, so I did... What's that? That's this. Okay, so I saved that, and now we have the witch number 2. Which I think we did that. Then we did control paste. And then I think it's just opacity of 50% and that's it. There we go. That should be the same as this, right? 50% multiply. 50% normal multiply. Okay, so now when we save that, we go back to the capsule. She should have a... Huh? Didn't I put her here? Or did I put her here? Aha, so it's her. Good. Alright, get rid of that one. Entfernen. Copy this. Fucking hell, man. Paste. Control T. Man, I'm tired of working on that shit. I want to do something else, you know? I want to do some coding again. I miss coding. Who of you misses coding too, guys? You guys miss coding? Of course you do. Coding's the best. It's the most fun. I mean, art is cool too, but not all the time, man. Not only art. But you can't be serious. How can I not scale it perfectly now? Ah, whatever, it's fine. This should be good enough. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly replace all the witches. So that they are with the non-broken stuff. It's just gonna take a second here, guys, okay? The only downside of using this editor called Photopea, which is a free editor, you don't have to pay anything for it, is that it's laggy. But I like it a lot more than Photoshop, because in Photoshop you don't have mouse panning by default. You have to do some stupid hacks to get mouse panning. So basically mouse panning means you click the middle button of your mouse and then you move it and the thing moves. I love that. And Photoshop does not, and I repeat, it does not have that by default, which is retarded. And so I like this editor so much more. Are you going for Steam Deck Verified, considering you have time? I think localization is more important. I did not see the yellow dot on the shield. I did not see it. I did not see it, chat. No. Worst time to express an opinion. I think he hasn't slept in 7 days editing that shit. No, that's my opinion. I think it's a valid opinion, to be honest. Like, you think it's wrong? So, guys, do I need to change the composition here to get accepted? I could just use the Tangy without an orange on her head. You guys, fuck off. I'm not changing the dot. Just put the logo in front. Yeah. Fine. But we gotta, of course, you know, get her in here. Man. See, this happened because the freaking guy that made the Megabomb capsule set my game's too cutesy. So next time, we're gonna make a zombie survival game. We're making it bloody. We're making They Are Billions, but we're calling it They Are Trillions. See, because the reason why we can call it They Are Trillions is simple. Because C++ game, guys, okay? You can't tell me that C++ cannot win over C#. There's no way that they have optimized everything in They Are Billions. I just do not believe that. So, what we're gonna do is the following. We're going to be... I think he squashed the character a little bit. Otherwise, this just doesn't fit. Which I guess is fine. We can squish her a little bit. We're going to be like optimizing the heck out of big battles. I don't think you're on that level, Cakez. Programming wise and optimization wise, I think I can become that efficient. No joke. I mean it. No, we're not gonna do that as the next game, but I wanna do that as a game in the future. I was having a lot of fun making the Viking game, guys. I loved it. It was awesome. It was really cool to do, and I want to do such a game again. But again, like I want to do something like They Are Billions, but with the stuff. I don't like it. I'm gonna use the Tangy without Defender, sorry. It just looks odd. I especially made a Tangy. Where did I put it though? In logo? Yeah. Which Viking game? Oh, it's on itch.io. You can go to my itch.io and you'll find it. I think it's called... What was the game called? What did we call the game, guys? I forgot. Huh? Give me the arrow. Give me the arrow. No, what was the game called again, guys? I forgot. You guys remember? Oh shit, I didn't fix her shadows. No. I think I can fix it though. I got it. So basically, we're going to say yes. Right, and then that's her. I fixed that though. Oh no. Sorry guys. Gonna take some more time. I think I'm done in like 2 hours. Bruh. Hey, but this is also broken. Oh, I see. I get it now. It's this one that I changed. But not the other one. So I need to go here. Turn that into a smart object. Ah, I can't. Ah, no. Okay, fine. It's fine. Change it without Defender. Oh, cool. It fits. Oh, nice. Saved. Amazing. We can go here. Ah, okay. It's already working. Nice. Good. And we can get rid of... Okay, so here's where we do a... whatever that's called. We erase some stuff at the bottom. See? To just get away. To get rid. We gotta be careful not to. Yeah. I hate this pixel fuckness making me mad. So stupid, bro. This is so dumb. You can tell that there's another character. Wait. Wait, I don't get it. I was gonna use this, but I keep the shadows. So annoying. Sorry about this, guys. I just need to make it fit. Oh, is that annoying? So stupid, bro. God. Okay. That is fine. Yeah, I know. I get it, guys. Cakes, what are you doing? I understand. Listen, okay? It's done. Good. Let's put the logo from here. Copy. This is just Control T. Yeah. This is the downside of using Photopea, guys. Hey, it fits much better. Look, there's even more space. Nice. Ah, it's lagging. Great. Stop lagging. There you go. Is it even the right logo? That's not the right logo. Wait, I used the wrong one. Sorry. Huh? Wait. Huh? Honey? Where's the logo? Huh? No, wait. This logo here. Sorry about that, guys. It's too many different logos. Let me delete that. Alright, so this logo. Let's get rid of this. Huh? No. What did I do? Oh, it copied the logo folder. No. Bro's cooking. Oh, I got to spam us on Kick. I appreciate that. Yeah, so what we're doing right now, guys, is we are building the capsule for Steam. Hit the legs. And then we're going to upload it to Steam. And then we're going to talk about the release date. And I'll explain to you what my strategy is for the trailer. Man, I like that a lot. It does kind of repeat the colors from Tangy. The swarm is coming, Cakes. Oh yeah, the swarm's coming. Yeah. It looks good. Yeah, I like it. Save. Okay, nice. Let's put the logo from here. Here too. And yeah, you guys really liked that. And then we keep that. Alright, it's time to position. Why is it always lag in the beginning? Bad spot for an arrow? Yeah, most people said they don't really like the arrow, but... And it looks like a bee. Ja. Ja. You know what I want to compare this with? But the game is not too successful, unfortunately. Relic Guardians on Steam. When I search Relic Guardians, they just show the characters in the capsule. It doesn't even show that the tower defense guys. And then we compare that with mine. Tangy TD. Ah. I think it's fine. Yours is better now. This is good. That's done. Let me also update the logo here. I guess I didn't do that. Right? Yep. Did not do this here. So we will update that. Guys, I can't wait to be healthy again. Guys, what is it? What is the opposite of sick called? I am sick. And the opposite is ich bin gesund in Deutsch. But I want to say that in English. What does ich bin gesund mean? Healthy. I am healthy. I want to be healthy again. I feel like healthy sounds so much more like, oh, I'm so healthy. I eat oatmeal every day. And I make sure that there's no sugar in the milk. And actually, milk is not that great. You should be using water with the oatmeal. Or maybe you should use yogurt. That's much better. For me, healthy, that sounds like healthy. You know? Healthy sounds to me like, I go out every day and I jog 10 kilometers. I make sure that I only eat fresh Obst und Gemüse in English. Ha! Oh, cool. Anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Next. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Okay. And it lags every time I change. Stop. But I also have a lot open, so I can get it. I can understand. Guys, why is this lagging? What's going on here? Stop. Ah. Every once in a while we have these. Like, hey! Where they maybe it's Photopia. No, it's not. Task manager. 100%. That's Photopia, by the way. That's why Photopia is not great. They use a lot of memory. It's a browser application. Spotify uses 30% CPU to play songs? How? You're just playing songs!
What is this with this?
Huh? Wait, what? The clip stopped. I don't even know if it works. Gonna do a random clip again. Random video. Still lagging. Don't know what it is. No random videos today, chat. Not sure what it is. Didn't change anything. Started the computer like always today. Hey. I have no clue what it is. It's gotta be something from OBS because I think in Abev's bot they work properly. It has to be no. The thing is it's gotta be my bot. No, it's gotta be OBS fucking up. It has to be OBS. But man, Spotify taking 30% CPU for what? That's gotta be a bug, right, guys? There's no way it's 30%. I hacked this PC to play Minecraft. There's no way it's 30%, right? That was a bug. Why do you even need 5? What are you running? This is ridiculous, really. See, that's why you guys always need to upgrade your computers. Because everyone is just making shit applications. And this is where Jonathan Blow and Casey are right in what they're saying. Like, this is really bad. All right, let's get the logo. Oops. No. Hello, this is the logo guy. Please read the Discord or I'm going to leave an emotional breakdown. Oh. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. What is that? Oh, he's trying to prove that it's not AI. No, yeah. Huh? And what? I'm using the new logo. Huh? Not the AI stuff? What? He's annoyed about the logo placement. Eh? No gameplay? Yeah, we are making a capsule for Steam right now, so I can start selling the game. Now, this is something every developer needs to do. Is this bad? It's not center. This? Huh? I'm not ignoring. Wait, let me see. Guys, it's quite a few. Hello, this is a logo guy. Yeah. And that's the only message he typed. I'm not ignoring. Will you guys stop? Don't change stuff. Replace logo. Have the tangerine covering a little bit of the green part of the new logo. There are countless games that have logo a little covered, plus what you are working on is library art, which is really big on screen. Tell him please, make him stop. Oh, I see. So you're saying I should just keep that. Cover the logo a little bit. So move the logo back below Tangy. Like this. Like this. This one here. Okay, fine. We still have to get Tangy with the fixed stuff though. Tangy YD. See, that's why I fixed all of those images off stream, guys. Because you make me so unsure of myself, okay? Guys, I'm trying my best here, okay? I'm trying my best here, okay? I'm making mistakes, but hey, that's what you do in life, okay? F you. Paste. Hey, the witch 2 is empty. Why? Why is witch 2 empty? Guys, I'm getting a headache. This is not good. Huh? Oh, I see. It's... Oh, shit. Okay, it's just big. Okay. That's fine then. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is fine. So you guys have lied to me that this is a problem. I should ban everyone in chat that lied to me. I wasted so much time because of you. See, that's why my game is releasing so late. It's because I'm listening to chat. It's all your fault. It is. Take some accountability, chat. It's crazy. Look how much you make me waste my time. I would have had released like 5 games already. If it wasn't for you. It's all your fault. I hate this song. Oh, you guys want the other girl to cover the logo, not this one? No, I think that's fine, right? By the way, Kashira, thank you very much for gifting us up to Simon.
Himself.
God. This is... I have so much pressure here, guys. It's going to explode.
See how...
It hurts. Alright, guys. No more random videos today. I apologize.
Am I so out of touch? No.
K for Shira is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Thank you. Alright. Fixed. Save. Store capsule, I think. Wait, that's the important one. The other important one. Alright, we need to get Genji with the fixed stuff in here. What are subs for? Subs give you no ads. Twitch, when you are an affiliate on Twitch, which you reach by getting like, I think 50 followers. And you need to have, I think, an average viewership of 1 or something, or 2. Then you can start earning money on Twitch. And that means you have to run ads. It's part of the agreement. Doing so means people see ads, which sucks. And to avoid that, you can subscribe. That gets the streamer some money. The streamer gets some money, and you see no ads. That's the way it works. There we go. Cool. Oh, great, of course. guys. It is how it is, okay? It's gonna... Yeah. Whatever. Who cares? No, it kinda triggers me. Aha! Where is that from? It's the shadow fix, I see. Alright. Man, I have so much pressure on my ears and my head. Ooh. Okay, so the store capsule needs the logo too, right? And that is one of the most important pieces. Logo guy said you can send him the PSDs and he will adjust it for you if you want. No, oh shit. Oh no. What I'm doing right now he can't do though. I'm fixing the shitty stuff. Because the guy that sent me this was too lazy to fix it. So I don't think he can do that. I appreciate it though. Oh shit. Why is it doing the entire foreground? You're not supposed to do that. Like, what is going on? Can you just please just Control T the witch. Make it just a tiny bit smaller. Enter. I can send him the PSD files, but I think they are too large to send over Discord. So let's see. For the logo placement, you mean? Steam capsule. 28. 192. Look how big these files are. I don't have Nitro, guys. I would appreciate it, but yeah, I'd have to put them in Google Drive and then give him the link, I guess. But I really want to, yeah. Can I equip the stuff? Looks cool. Not yet, but I want to do that in the future. All right. Where's the logo? Man. Copy. I'm gonna place the logo in terrible locations, upload them, and finally set the release date, okay? I want the Steam page to display the release date, but he can fix the logo positions himself as well. That's totally fine by me. Like, I would like to have a professional do it. Would be amazing. Right? That would be really cool. I'm just gonna place them where I think it makes sense. So you can also see some other stuff. Yeah. $10 per pixel moved. What is the Steam page for the game? It's linked in chat, but I'll link it in a second again. If you want to know. Use transfer now, transfer wise. Yeah, how about you use another service? How about you use 10 different services, then all of a sudden they run out of stuff and then I need to pay. Good idea, man. Fucking idiots, bruh. Alright, so that one's done. I think that one looks good. No issue with the staff too. That one is done too. That one's done too. Okay, one more. One more. I'm tired of this, but I'm also sick. I can feel it. Like I don't have much power, especially to talk. You guys might have noticed. If you go to the very beginning of the stream, my voice changed from the beginning of the stream till now. Because I'm not doing too hot. I'm so tired of being sick, guys. I hate it. How long do you get sick for, man?
What happened to penis?
It is annoying. There we go. Star fixed. And I suppose we need the logo here too. Copy the logo. Copy. Paste. T. Zip. Yeah. I like this. Boom. Okay. Library. Oh, that's the old one. Thank God. Done. 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 Oh, man. All right. So we now have all of them. I'll quickly give the guy access to this folder on Google Drive, but I'm going to export them right now. So, does he still want to test to send me the PSDs? Send large files. Transfer now. So, like, you think that's easy for me to use that? Start. Click or drag or drop files here. Fine. I'm not gonna send the 4K wallpaper because I didn't change it yet to the version I want. But I guess I'll send you the other stuff. It's gonna take... Wait, if I upload this now, is my stream gonna lag? Guys? I'm not gonna send you the logo, right? Because you don't need it. But I appreciate it. So I have selected 267 megabytes. Can I just drag all of these files? I'm not putting my email address. No. I'm just gonna give him access to... This is a Google Drive folder. I'm gonna give him access to the red potion capsule. Like, I'm gonna give you access to this folder. It's better. I have your email. Right? Do you have Google Drive? Wait, I'm gonna ask him. He doesn't even need Google Drive. He just needs the link. You can open it in the browser. Let me do that real quick. Oh, I sound like a bitch, man. Hello, guys. Today, we're gonna be making a computer game in C++. We're gonna use no libraries. Yeah. And we are uploading it to Steam. And we're selling it for money. Can I be like healthy once, please? For more than 2 days. Share. Copy link. Link copied. Manage access. Anyone with the link. Okay. Viewer. A viewer means they can download stuff, right? So, can you see the files and download them? I think that's better. All right. Okay. But I'm going to take these now and turn them into PNGs. You guys ready? Let's do it. It's time. Control-Shift-S. Save. Save as. Number 2. All of them are going to be number 2. Yeah. Replace. Next. Fuck you. Next. Save as. Yes. The capsule main. Number 2. Yes. Close. Control Shift S. Save. Save as. Number 2. Yes, replace. Ah, man. Save as. Save. Save as. Bloop. Number 2. Okay. I don't know what copy means, but I guess copy. Save. Save as. Number 2. Yes, replace, please. Control Shift S. Save. Save as. Yeah, number 2, actually. Yeah. Yes, please. Go away. Shift S. Save. Ah, finally. I hated that. That was painful. Not fun. Totally not fun. Save. Save as. Number 2. Ah. Done. Chat. We are done. Finally. God, what a day. I'm exhausted. I've been doing this for fucking hours, bruh. Alright, so we're going to be uploading the number 2 versions of each of these files to Steam now. And then we will see what the game looks on Steam after that. Okay, you guys ready? Finally. Oh, man. That took a long time. Goodness. Alright. Edit store page. And I'm gonna also update the demo page, but not today. I'll do that off stream. Don't need to do that on stream. Agree and continue. So we're just gonna drag and drop all the files in here. This one. This one. Now it's easy to see, because we just need to look at the logo. Aha, so this number 2. Yeah. Yeah, this. True version. This one, of course. These are almost the same. Like this one and this one. Oh, I don't have the logo yet. Yeah, we need to do the logo. Forgot that. I just uploaded the 1232. Then the logo, and then this one, the library header. And yeah, we don't do this one. Good. Now I just gotta quickly do the logo. I forgot that. Basically, here, the logo has a specific ratio that you need to do too. And I'm just gonna copy over. Not from here. It's from here. The logo. Into that. Paste. And then I don't know how much of this we need to put in. But I guess this for him is not centered. I guess this is centered. Boom. There we go. Right. And then we do save. And we save that too. Control Shift S. Yes. Save as. Logo. Number 2. Save. Yes, replace. It's definitely much better than the logo that we have currently. And this logo too. So yeah. Upload. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. There was a lot of work, guys. Oh yeah, finally, man. Confirm and upload. Oh, that is cool, man.
Am I so out of touch?
Thank goodness.
No.
Scarce just subscribed.
Yo, my man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, my man. Does look way better. Yo, thank you. Hey, bro. Hello there, Cheyenne on YouTube. The new logo looks really good. Hey, glad you like it. Yeah, the guy did a good job. And he was fast too. So, definitely gonna work with him again in the future. I can recommend him too. Like, he wrote in chat as well. Okay, so I've uploaded them right now. Need to publish the changes to Steam. And then I need to change some other pictures, but we can do that later. That's fine, I think. Alright, publish. Let us find Tangy TD, shall we? Tangy TD. Nice. Well, their logo is really small, guys. Sorry. Valheim. That's a big logo. Some people just smash the logo in the middle, it looks like. Yeah. Gnomes just puts the logo in the middle and all of the stuff at the bottom. Very good stuff. He plays them very well. I wonder if Tommy did it or if the guy did it for him. Because that looks really good. Still mad about that. And they did the outline here. You see this in red? That works very well. Or maybe is it red because I have it? No. They did actually do the outline. Hey, that's interesting. Maybe I could do that too. But, I mean, I think I stick out. But I feel like I should switch it up. I should put her to the left and maybe the logo. I mean, no, it only shows up because I have it in the library here. That's why this is here. I think if this was a private browser, then it wouldn't be. Right? Yeah. No, so that's better. Yeah, okay. Logo left. I gotta be honest. I still think I did a really good job here. And also, I think the blue is a little too deep on this. I just have a feeling that it creates this overly saturated image. But I could be wrong. To me, it just looks overly saturated because of the deep blue. And then the very bright green grass. But hey, it does stick out, so maybe it helps. I don't know. Let's see, Tangy TD. Ah, it looks nice. Huh? Why is this squashed? What? Huh? Did I upload the wrong one? Uh-oh. Oh no, guys. This one, it took the wrong one here. Wait, can you fuck this up? Shit. God damn it. Need to do it again. Okay, so I think I confused. It's assigned the wrong image. Yeah, Steam. Yeah, it's fine. I think it confused. The store capsule main. This is what should be here, but it put the store page background. I don't know. Library header? I don't know which one's supposed to be. Like, wait. Main header and header, I think. Main and header. So these two? Where's the compare tool from yesterday? They're gonna tell me the name. Main capsules. Why is mine so much bigger? Huh? Header capsule. So header capsule is the... You choose the wrong one, you don't have... Mountain Ghost there. Oh yeah, I forgot the Mountain Ghost here too. You're right. Hey, wait, I don't have the Mountain Ghost. Oh, you changed the 3 files already? 3 files are available for download. Okay. Can I just click download? PSD, download all. Thank you, man. Guys, I have a virus now. GG, it's over. I'm hacked. Yeah, that's my game. Because this is my game. Okay, so which one is this then? God, I'm getting a headache, guys. It's so confusing. I apologize. This stuff is really confusing. And I don't do this every day. You do this like once every, I don't know, a couple of months, really. So library header. Is this the library? No, it's not the library header. Shouldn't that the store page header? Store capsule? No. I don't understand. Store capsule main. So the store capsule main should be here. It says main capsule. Eh? I don't get it. I just don't. I'm sorry, guys. I don't get it. Did I do something wrong? Like, what the fuck am I uploading from these? Is there some explanation? Where was it? I'm in the private window too. Steam capsule. Capsule guide. Graphical artworks. No, they don't show it in store. Oh, fuck. Okay, maybe this. Ah, shut the fuck up, man. Where do I place them for idiots? I need to know for retards. Please. Aha. Header capsule image. So, yes. The header capsule image. That one. Yeah. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Header capsule, main capsule. Okay, what's the main capsule? Main capsule. Yeah. Okay, and then where is this small one? Screenshots. No, not screenshots. Guys, I can't find... I can't find this. Am I blind? Yeah, it's not here. Oh, wait. Never mind. I should have scrolled further down. Sorry. Huh? I'm gonna save this page for the future, by the way. I like it. Store capsule main. Huh? Am I just retarded? Huh? Huh? Ah! Okay, it's been more than 8 hours now. Okay, guys, and I'm sick. Okay. Okay. I think we should be good now. Upload. Yes. Confirm. Ah. Sorry. It's not update. Control Shift R. Didn't update yet. Oh, I just wanna go and cry in the corner, man. How long is this gonna take? Just uploading some images to Steam. Come on, it's almost 5 p.m. Can I please get it done? It's not updating it. Or it's updating the wrong one. Can you stop? Guys, does it look like that for you too? Or is it just for me? It's not good enough. It's stretched. It does not look good, guys. Nobody will... Can you guys stop saying this shit? It makes me really mad. Empty cache. I did Control Shift R. I mean, at least we are not even hitting 2 hours on stream, so that's fine. I don't have to feel that bad spending 2 hours on just uploading capsules. No, it's not the right one. It's not using the right one. It's stretched for us too, fixed for me. Now it's fine. Really? Really? Ah! Ah. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I feel like this entire foreground should be shifted further to the left, if I'm being completely honest. Why? Because I would like to have... Not right now. I would like to have... the archer to the left and the logo to the right to be... I think I want to do that. And then we can take a look at the logos that the title guy made. I should learn his name. I apologize. I'm sorry. Let me close those two. Let's hope we have the right assets now. Assets. Assets. Good job. Thank you. Chasing perfectionism. Shut the fuck up. This is good. I do not like this one though. Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, chat, is we take the foreground. Okay. Okay, and we do a V. Are you kidding me, brother? I'm moving the logo stuff to the left. Why is it not moving the logo? Huh? Bro. Can you stop? Why is it only moving the hill? Huh? What's going on here? Why are you moving the hill? Okay, wait, no, sorry. I think I'm stupid. Yeah, I was stupid. Sorry. I think this is what it should look like because it's more centered now. Know what I mean? I'll show you the difference, guys. Watch this. Okay, so here's the picture. We go to Excalibur. Yeah. Let's go over here. This. Take a look at that. Tangy TD. Let's just take that. How about we close? Oh no! I want that. That's good. At least a link. For the next game. Simple, beautiful games. After game. Wukash podcast, yeah. Steam color, $100. Money farming, funny achievements, Steam pages, trailer ideas, test builds, getting reviews. I guess I'll put that here. Steam Capsule Guide. I hate that. I hate this. This pisses me off. I don't know why it does these whatever. It is how it is. Yes, this one. Are you kidding me? Can you stop? I have one shot done already, but I stopped in order to get the Steam page ready so I could start doing more and more shots. The Steam page is more important right now. Piss off. Huh? Why did it change back now? It was correct before. Huh? Steam. Publish. I need to push publish one more time, guys. Then it's gonna work. Watch. Just wait. Look. Haha! Told you. All right. So essentially, the idea is the following. Now we can look at it properly. Next Kali draw. Here you go. You might not be able to tell much of a difference, but for me that's a lot. This is more centered while this one is more shifted to the right, if that makes sense. Know what I mean? So this one's just... It's a slight difference, but I like it. There's a difference, yeah. The foreground is shifted a little bit to the left. Alright, let's get this done. There we go. Take that. And then we also get the one that I downloaded. This one here. Let me get his name. Let me see. Sorry guys. One sec. I can't see the name, of course. Okay. Got it. There we go. Put it here. Freaking hell, bro. Put it here. There we go. So he changed. Yeah. Please extract them. All right. Alt 1 and 2. So basically you made 2 versions and then the other one. So 600, 900 and 748. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't know how that is different from mine. It's a bit less. Okay. Yeah. And file open. Oh, I see. And then the other one is probably without the Tangy on the head, right? Yeah. Just her bigger. Oh, I mean, that is nice too. Guys, with or without Tangy on the head? What do you guys think? Say. Without a tangerine on the head or with? Eh? No. You're not going to get me with this, man. You went into the HTML code and you flipped it up and down and then you closed the console again. You think I'm stupid? You're not gonna get me with that, Mr. Shade 11. Yeah. I know the tricks. I've seen that before. You need to do better than that, man. Alright, let's just use that. It's fine. Save. Man, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I want to be done with this. I want to do something else. Alright. So Alt and Alt, these two, and I am missing... It was the library that we changed, right? Yes. So the library and the 2 alt versions. These two. We're gonna upload that to Steam now, and then we are finally done with the big assets, the graphical assets, the big ones. I wonder if I'm the only person on Steam that uploads like 10 different things each day. Like, I probably come off to Steam as like this guy that just can't make up his mind. Header capsule. Yes. Library header. It's a library header. Not header capsule. It's a library header. That's where it's confusing it. I see. The header capsule... What is the header capsule? Capsule header? Hey, what's the difference? I feel people do this, yeah. Yeah, we could talk about why it's already, why it's 30 days again. I get it. My wife's not happy either. I'm not that happy either. Maybe it's a stupid decision. I don't know. Push to public. Maybe I should just release on the 16th. I don't know. But then I can't really do the Tower Defense Fest with a discount, which would do a lot for me. Okay, let's get these all closed. Yes. Finally, I can close this stuff. I want to be done. I'm tired. This is also the important one, right? The store capsule. I think that one looks okay. Oh. Just one more. Sorry. I saw something that pissed me off. This one is important here. No, wait. Not this. Sorry, not this. I apologize. Not this. Is this one important? No, wait, it wasn't this. Shit. Which one was it then? I don't know anymore. Maybe that. No. God damn it. Let's just go through the pictures. While we're at it. No, 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 no. That's fine. That was fine. That was fine. Was I just dreaming or something? Was I dreaming? I don't know. Maybe I was dreaming. Whatever. Let's just close. Oh my god. Run the game. Oh god. No, my mind's already clear. Like, I think the most difficult part. So I think the most difficult part is done. If I'm being completely honest. That right there lifted like a giant boulder off my chest. Or off my back. Set the 9th and let's go. I guess we do that, yeah. I'm gonna set the release date now. How do I set that? Go to dashboard, I guess. My game. See, there was this image. Like, which image is this? I want to move this image to the left. See, I mean, this image. I want to move the foreground to the left. God damn it. Which one is it? Oh. Whatever. I'll do that in a second. Fuck it. So, to be announced. Okay, so to be announced, we can edit that. Intended release date. No. I want to set it to... Aha, okay. 2026. We're gonna say March for now. 9th. Update. Prepare for publishing. But it still says to be announced, I think. Right? Let me see. Dashboard. It still says to be announced. Oh, I see. Now I select it. Use this setting to choose how your release date appears. Yeah, okay. March 9. Prepare for publishing. Okay, guys. It's gonna show up on the page now. Alright. I'm gonna publish it twice. Good stuff. Are you the only guy working on the game? Yeah. Set the correct time as well, Cakes. What is the correct time then? I don't know. It's important, yeah. What is the correct time though? Okay. I'll try. Launch discount. Yeah, I don't know the launch discount, but I can change that, right? It says, oh, I see. Here's the time. Oof. CET. Bro, I don't know. All times are in US Pacific. What is CET? Okay. So what is CET time? It's 17 right now. And wait, that's my time. Oh, I see. My time. Okay, so what time do I release it? I would do 3 p.m. Shouldn't I start when the Tower Defense Fest starts? Ramping up? At 4:20, I don't know when it starts. 3 p.m. Time-wise. They didn't say anything about the specific time. I mean, I could do 2 or 3 p.m. I think that's okay. You should align to Spain time. Siesta? What is siesta? Are you German? Yeah. Like, when is that? Simon sent something on Discord. Okay, yeah, but does it need to be now? It's probably a meme, isn't it? Yeah, I mean 3 p.m. is a good idea. Yeah. Let's do 3 p.m. Let's do p.m. I have to click these buttons. It's annoying. 3 p.m. That is update. Okay. I'm a bit scared, but we'll do it. It's fine. Alright. I think we still have too much time now, to be honest with you guys. I think the 9th is so far away. Like, we will have time to do localizations, and that will help the game for sure. But, but I don't know. It is so far in the future. I might change it to the 2nd, guys. I might. I don't know. Depends. Let's see. Does it show up on Steam page now, at least? To be announced? March 9. Okay, so it does show up. Good. That's nice. Logo 10 out of 10, Capsule 4 out of 10. Shut the fuck up. I think the Capsule is okay. I have not updated the trailer yet. That's something I'm gonna do off stream. I'm not doing that shit again on stream with DaVinci. I'd rather do something else, no. So is the release date still the 9th? Yeah, it is now the 9th, but I might do 2nd. So like a week earlier. Don't know yet. Where's the short? I'll upload the short when I have the trailer done, because I want to upload the trailer to YouTube and then link the trailer inside the short. So basically, when you do shorts on YouTube, there you go. Let's see. I wonder if I can, if one of my shorts does have a link
How do
somewhere.
you implement it?
I don't have it, but I could just edit this, right? The game's not ready to be released yet, but it's close. I think that over 36 days is just too much time. I think I'm just gonna cut it by a week, but we'll see. So essentially, each short, you can put a... Oh, related video. They made him quit Gamedev. It is, eh? Hey, what you doing? Then it should show up. Eh?
How do you implement the tree animation?
Yes, load the here. So you can put a related video to the left here. When you click on it, it's just an easy click. It's like an easy tap with a finger if you're on a phone. Then it links to a video. And that's what I want to do too. So basically, when I upload the short, I want to link to the trailer so that the trailer gets views as well. It's like pushing off of each other. And then in the trailer, I will have top of the line advertising, link to Steam page and stuff like that. It's just a positive reinforcement loop. And then as I post the trailer, I will also write to IGN. I will link all my shorts to the trailer. Yes, of course. So I already have one short done. You saw that, right? Can you pin links and comments? Yeah, but in the YouTube description, you can also pin links like that. Like I can open these two top links. One of them goes to my Twitch, and the other one goes to my X. So the first 2 lines in a video, I think it could even be 3 lines. That's called top of the fold advertising. I would have to test. Let's edit. Let me see if I can do 3. Then obviously for this, right, would be... I didn't edit this because the video does not gain enough views monthly. It does gain some, like 10 or something. I don't know. Not much. But game, link, like this, right? And then save. Let's see. Let's go to the video again. Is it 3 possible? Yeah, it's actually 3 links possible. That's great. That's really good. Talk. Yeah, I know. Talk. So yeah, that's what I will do. You know, the description of mobile is hard to open. Yeah, but I can't put a link. Like, listen. So That's how it works on PC. I was talking about the PC. On mobile, the only way to get people to go to my Steam page from within mobile is to say the name of the game in the video, which I do, but to also put the link to the game into the description. And that's what I will do too, of course. Hope you will be alright. You said you want to release in January because you're out of money. Maybe it might be a good idea to do another donation goal. Yeah, like I hate that, but I might have to do one more. I hate this. But yeah, I would release on the 2nd, and then I could pay rent with the money from Steam the next month. I will start posting to farm views, but I told you before, guys, I needed to make sure that my Steam page looks as good as it can be. And in order to do that, and this is not updated, like it makes me mad. Did I not upload them? I think I didn't upload them, did I? So wait, where's the guide again? Give me a second. The header capsule image, 920 by 430. Maybe it's just cached, an old version. I think I moved this to the left, didn't I? Do you have a plan B for when the game can't pay, fails and you can't pay rent? This might sound crazy, but I think I'll get at least over $1,000 or euros. And together with the launch of the game, there will also be some traction to at least Twitch and YouTube, and I think it'll be fine. They pay the end of the month. Oh, that's good. So wait, null exception. If I release, wait a minute. If I release March 6th and March 9, do I still get money at the end of March? End of April then. Wait, if I release the 2nd of March, that's retarded. Oh, this is just stupid. What was I doing? No, that's just dumb. Release the end of February? We can't because of the fucking Steam Next Fest. I would do that. The only other option is February 16. Could work too. But again, Tower Defense Fest plus Steam discount is such a good way to do it. If I release, like, listen guys, we talked about this yesterday. We could talk about it again here. The reason why I'm releasing so late is because if I release here on the 16th, like we are here right now, the 29th, I need to send out emails to YouTubers. This week is already scratched, right? I could potentially release here, but that's... I need to give YouTubers enough time. So if I send out emails right now, then this would be a valid date. And I can't do that, right? But then I set a 2-week discount. 1 week, 2 weeks. The Tower Defense Fest is here, starting from the 9th. I will not have a discount in the Tower Defense Fest. That's bad, because my game is a tower defense game. So every other tower defense game will likely have a discount, but mine. That's a huge disadvantage. So it would be really bad to release the game here. The only viable option is to delay it. Talking from a business standpoint, it would be so retarded to release it here. If you're purely talking about monetization or money, you know. So yeah, the 2nd or the 9th are the best options. And the cool thing is, when we release here at the 9th, we will also get 4 days of spring sale, spring sale. So 4 days into the sale, we will also have a discount inside the sale. So our game, I don't know if you have to like take part in the sale or not, but we will be on discount for 4 days during the sale. And that's where people spend a lot of money. So I could say, actually, I could do something like, let's see, let's do some math here, right? So if I wanted to do 8,99 and multiply that by 1.4, we are looking at 1250. And we do 1250. And multiply that by 0.6. 750. So 750. How about, what is 13 times 0.6? 780. Yeah, that's actually much better. So what about, yeah, 13,5. Oh, I hate that. 13, 5. English fucking keyboard. Multiplied by 0.4. No, sorry. 13.5 multiplied by 0.6. It's 8.1. That's a bit too much. No, I want to be 899, won't I? So wait, 899. Wait. 8,99 divided by 0.6. Oh, it's $15. Okay. So 14,99 multiplied by 0.6 is 8.99. So I can do a $15 game. I can discount it by 40%. I'll be 40% discount in the sale, 40% discount in the thing, and then after higher discount, better for people. And then after that, I'll have $14, which nobody will play. I did set a date to the 9th yet, yeah. So Shintai, if you're still here, that's the reason why it's so late now. I've been listening to the people that told me how to set the game and hopefully earn the most amount of money from it, right?
Glad to be back to my favorite
regardless of
Vulcan
how the
Godot
game
Street.
is.
Please keep
Right.
your functions shorter than 5 lines.
And you're a my man couldn't agree. Hello there. You being a business person probably would understand that, right? What's the logic behind $15? Minus 40%. Yeah, my competitors will be highlighted next to me and I will most likely drown in the competitors. Yes, Giga Forever, that's correct. That is, but the reason for the 9th is, and can I show the images you showed me, null exception? Let me see. There's a fest running right now. Okay. So basically, null exception told me there's a fest running right now. And the featured games are... Oh, you guys don't understand. Oh, you guys are so stupid. The game is going to be $8. This is going to be the price for the game. The discount is psychological trick. This is actually what you're going to pay for the game. Yeah. That's $8.99 too much. Okay. Never reviewed as a $15 game. I get that. Yeah, the idea is that I would set the price lower after that. That's a strategy that was used by Click and Conquer. Super cool. You change the price later, like when you can again. Okay, anyway, so let's see. At the bottom. Recommended for you. Cartoony games. And so there's these tabs here. All popular discounted. Let's say we don't get into popular discounted. So like we are assuming, right? This is the page for the tabletop fest right now. But let's say that this is the fest for tower defense, right? It would have the same tabs. And there would also be a tab for new releases. And we would show up here. Most likely, right? And so with that... And then there's also popular upcoming, which let's say we don't get that tab. Actually, we won't get that tab, right? Because we are not popular upcoming. But we can appear here. And maybe here. Inside the fest. Correct? Or can you reiterate, Mr. Null Exception, like why the 9th would be better than the 2nd, even if we get drowned by the competition? Here, guys, let's see. Oh, look, right now it's on discount. Minus 25%. You basically said it, and if you do well, you'll be featured at the top as well. Yeah, okay. Let's see, it's all price history. Here. Basically, the game released with minus 40%, and then for a day... which, let's see. For a day, the price was $5.40. And then he changed it the same day to $3.99, right? And then he started doing 20% discounts. Or 25% discounts? Yeah. That's Thornity's game, guys. It's a strategy, guys. I haven't decided on it, but it could potentially work. Because you have to realize... This $8.99 is the same price that people are going to pay when my game releases, whether it is a $15 start point or, right? Or we start from 10 and we multiply, or let's not say 10, but no, not 0. $9.99 and we multiply that out by 0.9, right? It would be the same price at the end. So you guys will not pay more. Right? No, the 20% Tim Path is only when you do early access. This is a misconception. And I don't know why everyone is saying that. It's so annoying. Like, who spreads this? 20%, like this is wrong. 20% is not for the release of your game. It is for early access. So you can decide when you release your game if you go into early access or if you release the game. Just releasing your game will always send out a notification to wishlisters. And here's the awesome part. When you first upload a game to Steam and you start gaining wishlists, Maybe you do some, I don't know, YouTube videos, some YouTube shorts, Reddit posts, and let's say you accumulated 2,000 wishlists. When you click live button, when you click the live button on your demo page, when you upload your demo and you set it to release, you release your demo for the first time, there's a button that you can click and it will send out, just like for the release of your game, an email to all your wishlisters. So gathering wishlists before releasing a demo is also very important, and the demo basically is like a full release of your game when it comes to sending out emails. It's like it can be a big push to your Steam page. There's many strategies around that, and then obviously 20% if you're in early access, and obviously when you release. And then after the release, 20% or more will also send out a notification. That's how it works. Nettleflap, you haven't listened, right? Nettleflap. I released a game with a 40% discount. The strategy is the following. You release the game with a 40% discount. The game is $9 with that discount. Whether it is 10 or 15, doesn't matter. People will pay 9. And then you, after the discount is done, you immediately lower the price, but it's still going to be more than what the discount was before. So it'll be, for me, it'll be $10 then. So it's basically just a mind trick. Now, is that a good thing to do? To be honest, I don't give a fuck. Why? Because I'd rather do this than be on the streets, okay, and not being able to pay my rent, okay. And in my opinion, like, you can have other opinions on that, that's fine. You cannot like it, that's okay, also okay. You don't have to agree with me, you don't have to do it yourself, but I'm gonna do it, and I don't give a fuck if anyone has any problem with that. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but if I'm gonna do it, then I don't care if people like it or not. So $10 is the real price? Yeah. At the end of the day, $10 will be the real price, but it will, if I do the strategy, it will be 15 starting point, but to 40% discount, so it'll still be $8.99. And the reason why you do that is just like a mind trick, right? 40% looks larger. It's a good strategy. Yeah, it is just a strategy. Exactly. It's like advertisements. That's what it is, essentially. No, you don't change the price later to match the 40% discount. You change the price later to a higher price. You were not listening. So, like, the discounted price will be $8.99. And then when the discount ends, the game will be $9.99. That's the idea. Why not $30? Because that's obviously deceptive. Like, $14 is a high enough price to where it's not so obvious. But, like, if you go higher, then it's just obvious what you're doing. Or launch discounts are kept at 40%. I didn't know that. Okay. My game's not a $5 game, pussy. Shut up. Is that even legal? I don't know. Seems to be legal. You can do it on Steam. What are you doing? I'm talking about pricing the game. Doesn't Steam punish that? Why? But yeah. Cakes, I wanna work with you, man. Bro, I can't even feed myself. I don't know why you want to work for me. Go with me. I appreciate it though. Out of curiosity, what tools do you use to develop and package your game if you're avoiding using the major engines? I know Unity and Unreal are popular, but they are not the only ones. I don't really... a package, when you say, I don't really do much of packaging. Something I still have to do, but I'm sending out like the how do you say that, unpackaged files. So I'm sending out all of these, and I'm sending, can I get to textures? Yeah, I'm sending a texture atlas, PNG files. I'm sending the sounds uncompressed, or yeah, stuff like that. So right now I don't really package, I'm just copying over the folders that I need. Why did you decide that the game costs $9.99? I compared myself to other games and these games were $9.99. So I think my game is worth $9.99 because a game like Gnomes is $9.99. This right here. It's currently on discount, I think. Looks like, yeah, 40%. Gnomes is $9.99. Core Defense is $9.99. $9.97. Let me see. You know, I draw much cakes, but your Steam page is looking really good. Good job, too. Thanks, man. Thank you. Which other games did we look at? Like Ember Ward will be perceived as a higher quality game than mine, but it's $15. So it's fine. I think that gameplay-wise, yeah, I mean, they do have really cool systems. So I think Ember Ward is beating my game. It's still early access though, yeah, so, but still, yeah. They beat my game, I think. I would have to play it again, but let's say they beat my game. And Ember Ward has a companion. Tower Dominion is higher priced than mine. Nordhold is higher priced than mine. I think Nordhold wins easily over my game. Such a great game. But it's also higher priced. So, yeah. Bloons is higher priced than me. Bloons TD6 is $14. Yeah. Anyways, so that's why I think my game is worth $9.99. I look at the gameplay, I play the other games, I see their price, and I compare that to mine, and I'm trying to be objective. Yeah, this game is higher quality, much higher quality, like art, visuals, sound effects, everything. Rogue Tower, yeah, Rogue Tower does exist too. True. It's $12.49. I won't play your game because I don't like it. It's not up my alley, but I buy it just to support you and your work. I appreciate that, my man. I'm not Polish, Jason. I'm German. I don't know any Polish words. Kurwa. For the code writers here, did you write any notes while learning a language? Did you take any notes? Like, notes I take are no longer the code I write. I feel like I waste time. You mean comments? I always write comments, but I write comments where logic is difficult to understand. Comments are very important. You always write them. Like, for example, this could be... It helps me more than others, but essentially only used by enemies means this part will only happen. Oh shit. When enemies are here. Have you seen the devs who made Peak talking about how they decided the price, Cakes? No, I have not. Yeah, the problem of my game... Yeah, you guys are talking about... Like, the problem of my game is just that from the outside, without playing it... Listen, okay, 5 years, 6 years earlier, I would see this game, I'd be like, shitty game, move on. I want to play something else. That's what I would say. Because, like, I have this gamer in me, right, that wants to have something cool. And this, to me... does not scream cool, right? That's not an awesome guy with an axe or a sword and a shield and a shiny armor. No, that's just some shitty oranges, right? And I think that's the biggest issue that I have with my game that I will not be able to overcome unless I have quite a few people playing the game and showing actually that it is different. The only way to have that happen is if large content creators play the game. Yeah, I will have changed the trailer, but I'll do that tonight. I'm not doing this now. Yeah. Yeah, my game can be very addictive. And what I want to do now that I have more time is I want to add in. And that's why I also like... The trailer is not 100% finished. I want to add in some really awesome items with effects that will also be very clippable. But that's essentially what drives people to play the game. The different items and the builds you can make. And I might even remove some power from the skill tree. And then obviously you guys will also get to play the game. And there's still one key issue with the game right now that I do not like. Basically, I'll explain it to you a bit. Right now, you can play around with this character and ignore for a second, please, that she turns into this idle animation. I hard-coded that in just for a screenshot. But essentially, you can move her around and if you hover over a unit, she picks them up and then tosses them. But she immediately tosses them. So what if I wanted to, and let's actually change that back to 50. This was 50. I changed it for a screenshot to 150. What if I wanted to... Basically, I don't know how you guys operate in games where you write... The fucking easing function, man. Why now? I will make an incremental game next. Yes, 100%. Incremental games are doing well right now. I think they will do well this year too. And I want to jump on the wagon, earn some money, and hopefully have a comfortable life for the next 2 years. Hopefully. Yes. I also want to get my own flat at some point, so we don't have to pay rent that is completely lost money each month. It's stupid. It's 1,050 euros gone each month. It's crazy. And I think an incremental game can be done in like half a year. Polished and done very well. Maybe even less time. But probably half a year. I really want to do it, man. Seeing the success of other clicker games, and I think I can do one of at least the quality, if not better, than these games. Yes. 1,050 euros is what I'm paying for rent each month. That is just rent. That doesn't include internet. That doesn't include... what else am I paying for? Strom in English. Electricity. I quit the gym. I'm not going to the gym anymore. But that was 20. That's too much. So that doesn't include these two. Then my phone is only $5, thankfully. I have a very cheap phone contract. And yeah. So it's so much fucking money. And it's all gone. Yeah, my wife's calling. Great. 5 p.m. Like, it gets earlier every day. I need to call her back. But basically, I want to show you the problem that I have. I don't know how you guys play games where you move a character with right click. But if you pick up something, then you click right next to your target and you move in the direction, right? Let's say you pick her up and then you move here. But right click is also tossing them away, which is annoying. So the way this pickup mechanic works, you hold down right click, she picks up, And then you can't move immediately. You have to move the mouse far away so she doesn't throw. And then she throws when she gets close enough. It's a really tedious mechanic at the moment, but it's the most important one in some scenarios. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe left click. So you toss only with left click. You move with right click, but you toss with left. I don't know. I have to decide on that. That's one of the most annoying things still. No, my wife's sick and she's taking care of the baby. But it's 5 p.m. Like, she knows I have a lot to do. Freaking hell. Woman. He's making the call. I'm making the call, yeah. Right click, move to target. Left click, pick up. Right click, move to target. Left click, drop. That's how I do it from muscle memory. Yeah, left click is selecting targets. That's the problem. I select a unit. You know, like tower defense is selecting units. Maybe it's also holding down the right mouse button. No, maybe tossing is also holding down the right mouse button. Tossing could just be holding down the right mouse button for a certain amount of time. I think that would be a good idea. It's like a cast. Cast time to pick up, cast time to throw. But the throw is much faster than the pickup. Like a circle hold, yeah. Throw with Alt F4, shut up. Why not WASD? WASD will be an option that will be implemented. It's already implemented, but not picking up stuff. That stuff is not done yet. But yes, WASD exists, but polished games have a seamless transition between mouse input and keyboard input, meaning if someone decides they just want to play with the mouse, they should be able to do that. That's what I need to do now. That is called polish. That is the player experience. They are going to use this quite a bit. That needs to feel good. That's why you do a tutorial, null exception. I will have to do a proper tutorial for that. Be new you. Hello there, my man. So this mechanic right now feels off and don't like it. Double click. No, double click is out of question because I like this. If you've ever played RTS games, this is what players do a lot. Or League of Legends. Has anyone of you ever done that? This right here. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. It's not done very well in my game, but in League of Legends, people do that a lot. Or they're like, they do this. And so they just spam click a lot. They like that a lot. Middle click, not everyone has a middle mouse button. It needs to be done with as little buttons as possible. And it needs to be as convenient as possible. So I think holding down. So basically clicking works already. And then holding down to pick up works as well too. Like this works very well. The picking up, in my opinion, is done. Picking up is just holding the mouse button down for a couple of seconds. Milliseconds, actually. I think it's 0.5 milliseconds holding it down. And that feels very good, by the way. The only thing that's missing right now is, yeah, the movement. Like the tossing. So I think tossing could also be just holding down the right click. And then if we are out of range, we're going to move there. So like, wait, the click makes us move. The hold down makes us throw. I think that's what we do. E is exploding oranges. Q is heal. We could do R for pickup. R makes sense to pick up stuff. Show like a circle progress so they hold when... So, yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, so now we are finally back at the fun part on stream, which is coding and making the game as good as possible before the release. And we now also have the option to do something that I wanted to do after the release, but we might be able to do it before, which is obviously I'm going to make these changes to the code. But, guys... Not scope creep. We can do localization in C++. Would you guys like that? So basically we will learn how to display German, maybe Japanese, Chinese characters from within a C++ engine. Because that's what I can't do. And then we can find someone to localize the game into Chinese. And we can find someone to localize the game into German. That would be me. I can do that. And then my wife can play the game in German and she can understand what the game does. Damn, that sounds fun, ... Yeah, that doesn't sound that fun to you, but it's important, my friend, okay? You will have a nightmare of a time. Localization. Meaning I need to be able to load in, I think it's UTF-8 characters, right? Is it UTF-8 characters? I need to be able to deal with UTF-8 strings. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I can localize for Romanian. We have diacritics. Okay. Yeah, no, I get it. The font needs to support it. I'll have to get proper fonts for each and then test if the font looks good in the game, if there's no overdraw, and then fix the overdraw. But that will be an annoying problem. But the hardest problem, I think, will be loading in the different characters and understanding what a character is. So like we load in a Chinese character and we understand that this is the basically the mapping from Chinese character to array index, where it gives me the proper character that I've loaded in before from a true type font file, essentially. Basically, I load in a true type font file with the Chinese characters. I think that's how it works. And then I build an array to index into each single character. And then I find a character, I index into the array. And then it's a PNG at that point, right? It's a BMP. Boom. We display that like a quad. Much like I do right now. That, basically that translation is going to be hard. That is not scope creep. I would have done this regardless. The difference is that if I release the game later, I can do this before the release. It's basically shifting stuff before the release that I would have done after the release. The release date is already set, pussy. Shut up. The localization data will... I don't know where I need to store it. Right now I have it in a C++ file. Here. And this file is UTF-8, which means I can also write in Hello, right? Which is Hand of Blood. Well, you know, the Ähnlichkeit, right? So that is I'm able to type that in here, which leads me to believe I'm pretty sure I can also put a Chinese character in here, right? Let's get a Chinese character from the internet. Translator. So I want to test 9. This is German. And I want to do Chinese or Mandarin. Simplified, right? Right, these two characters. Can I put them in the file? I can. So if this file is able to detect these two characters, I should be able to do that in code too. Like my code will get a string and I just need to read. I need to know how many bytes of the string I need to read, which probably is 8, right? For these, and then map the 8 bytes to a number inside an array. And that number corresponds to yeah, I get it that I need a font. Guys, I understand that I need a font. I get it, guys. Yes, I know. Look. I get it. Maybe we start with that tomorrow. I don't know. It would be interesting. We could take our time with this. Listen, so let's launch the game. Chinese are usually 3 bytes or so. See, like, that's where the difficult part will be. Understanding how much stuff we need to load. But here, let's see. This is the game, right? And the way I'm doing it right now is I'm loading in a true type font file with the font. And I hit that song. Let's do a screenshot. F12. Capture. There we go. I think it's the second color pass where the font happens. Here. This is my font. I'm indexing when I find a string and the string has a certain number, I'm indexing into a glyph inside an array, and the glyph says that the glyph is positioned in the texture at this position. Now, why do I think this works for Chinese too? Why am I sitting here pretending I know this shit? Well, because I've seen it in other games. And so if it works in their engines, it's gotta be working for me too. Right? So, for example, Stardew Valley. The only thing that I need to be able to do is I need a true type font file that has all of the Chinese characters that I can load when I start the game, for example, and the Chinese language is selected. I load those in, and then I create this texture. I might even be able to pre-create this texture, so I don't have to do that on the user's machine. That would be an optimization. But essentially, I create this texture, and then when I'm there to do the font rendering, let's see, let's go down. Right, he's drawing the game. Blah, blah, blah. He's drawing the game. And here's where he draws the UI, and look at this texture atlas. That's his texture atlas, but he also has a texture atlas that looks much like this, but for Chinese. So if I were to turn the game into Chinese, it is just a picture. Yeah, fitting all of those characters can be difficult. And we saw how that looks in gnomes. Shall I start gnomes? Let's see, maybe I can start it from... It doesn't matter if it's monospaced font or not. That's the cool part. Let's see. Do I still have gnomes? Yeah. Oh, wait, I think I have the game. And they must have it in the text atlas. You probably need like 1k characters. So that's gnomes. And I might be able to do a screenshot already. Man, I can't see the language. See, like, here. F12. No, this. So we have 2 screenshots of gnomes here. Gnomes is a custom engine written in Rust, which is why this applies properly here. Texture viewer, input. Here are the characters. So the biggest, and this is not only Chinese, but I think also Japanese. But hey, I can't read this, so you tell me. Look how many characters that is. And it's a bunch of different languages just crammed together, right? I'm gonna ask Coffee Lava as well how he did it. I think he also supports Chinese. He could give me some pointers. And yeah. Ads? Oh, you're in ads. I see. I get it. Okay, that sucks. I'm not saying that I will do that at runtime on the user's machine. I just said that you can also cache it, right? It will... You can probably... And I will probably cache that. It's probably going to take a long time. But not too long, really. Like, how many do we have here? On each line. Let's say this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Make it 70 to 80. Now, how many lines do you have? Let's say it's 8,000 iterations, maybe more. 10,000. That's not too much. There are 27,000 characters. I don't think we have 20,000 characters here. If I remember correctly, Stardew Valley... Actually, I could start that right now. I can start it right now and see. I could change it to Chinese. No, I was eyeballing it. Let's see if it works. Does work good. So basically I can do a screenshot, but I forgot which command was that. Options. Hotkey shortcuts. Capture frame is F12. Okay. Alright, so I don't want to fuck it up again now, but I did that once. What is Chinese, guys? This or this? Middle or right? Yeah, I'm gonna do simplified Chinese. Top right is Chinese. Middle? Right is Korean. Circles equals Korean. Okay. Middle in Japanese. Middle right Korean. So what is Chinese, guys? Come on. Top right. Okay, so this is Chinese. Alright. Now we are in Chinese. I'm gonna do F12 for a screenshot. Did that work? Let's hope that worked. Did it do a screenshot? Didn't do a screen. I hate this. Windows applications are so trash. So how do I do a screenshot now? Shortcuts. Capture frame. So F12 didn't work. Great. Frame. No, 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 no. No! No, don't start a second game. Okay, exit, please. How do I capture a freaking frame, man? How do I capture a frame? It's supposed to add a frame here. It was control something before. Control Shift C? Bro, you can't be serious. Makes me mad. Capture frame. God, is that annoying? That's annoying. Great. What is quit now? Huh? Stardew Valley. Okay, let's do that again. Start. Try that one more time. Did it add screenshots? Maybe at the bottom? Oh, it did. I'm retarded. It actually did do a screenshot. Or it wasn't earlier. Yeah, it's from 2023. That's when I took a screenshot. Great. Why is it not taking screenshots now? It's the same program. I didn't update on anything. I hate that. Like when applications don't work. Like they... Oh, whatever. Fucking stupid. Whatever. We have that. Like I still have that saved. So let's open that. Turn it off and on again. That's not the issue. It's something else. This application is just fucking stupid. I hate it. Apparently I can no longer take frames with DirectX 9. Which must have been... I probably have to downgrade this version or something. Might have accidentally updated it. But I never did. Anyways, it's gonna open up soon. But yeah, probably just holding down right mouse button is the best. Will you publish your game on WeGame as well? Come on. Open it. There we go. So I just wanted to show you guys that the texture for drawing the font for Stardew Valley. Ah, shit. No, don't tell me. There's no font atlas. No. God damn it. I can't see it because it's not showing actual text. And I can't make a screenshot now. Ah, come on, man. Why is this shit never working? And why are you lagging so much? Because it's opening 10 times. I don't know. Windows just can't code anything, bro. It's crazy. Sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to just see the texture atlas for... You know what? There we go. Hello there, Gabriel. You probably can't see it. He didn't extract that, did he? The font. No, you can't see it. Pisses me off. Yeah, Stardew Valley is a game made in a framework, which means it had to figure out the localization as well. It used the XNA framework, and I was able to take screenshots back then from Stardew Valley. Right now I can't. I don't know why. Which version do I have? How can I see the version? Graphics mode, yeah, 2023. No, wait. Which version is it? Version. Isn't it monogame? Yeah, yeah. They updated to monogame. That's correct. Yeah, thank you guys for following. I appreciate it, Mr. Blaze. So annoying, man. Now Stardew Valley is gone from this list. Create keyframe and stream. Start, stop, stream, capture, L. Okay. Let's try that one more time. But yeah, Coffee Lava, right? You have done Chinese localization for your game, have you? How difficult was it to do? The render dock doesn't work for Stardew Valley? I don't think it does. Maybe they changed it now, though. It might work. Capture frame. Control Shift C. Maybe. How do I play? Is that playing? Oh, the game crashed. The game crashed when I started to play. Okay. Let's try RenderDoc. Maybe RenderDoc is able to do it. Is GNOME still running too? No. Only to render Steam names. Yeah, but in order to render Steam names, don't you have to support a lot of characters? And to read a Steam name, you get the Steam name as a string sent to you, right? It's like a byte string. So basically, I guess it's a void pointer, but you get, I don't know, a blob sent to you, data. And then you interpret that data as Chinese characters, correct? And in order to display those Chinese characters, you need to load in from a file the Chinese character symbols. And you probably store them in a BMP file, don't you? Oh, sorry. No. No. And let's launch Stardew Valley. Stardew Valley. Do you guys see Stardew Valley? It should be sorted. Maybe it's not on C, but on D's not. Uh-oh. Huh? How the fuck? I had 70 gigabytes free yesterday. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe it works now? Launch. No. Allow access. I did localization for my game using a CSV file and text mesh pro with Unity. Sorry, but it's creating an OpenGL context 3.2, guys. That's the problem. So I can't do it. Wait, I'll try to click. No, we can't. Like, if it cannot do that, it's unable to do this. RenderDoc can't support it. You get an UTF-8 character array and you proceed it as usual. So you interpret the character array. So basically, if this is supposed to be a character pointer, how do you... But there is no UTF-8 pointer, right? So how do you interpret that string? So like, how do I say that? Look, it's just a U8. So 8 bits. That's what I thought. Ha! So you guys, see, I told you. See? It's just a character string. No. But for each character in Chinese, you need to load more than 8 bits. One character could take more than 8 bits, guys. Yeah, see? So how do I know what character comes next? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, or 4 bytes per letter. How do I know that? Because depends on the encoding. Okay, I guess I need an example because we're going in circuits. But I guess that's something maybe for tomorrow. We could do that tomorrow. I could fix Tangy tonight with holding the right mouse button. It's in the first bits. You will need a library for that. Don't bother. Special character starts with a special byte that tells you now you have to interpret. How you have to interpret. I see. I see. So if the first bit is a certain number, it tells me how much I have to read. And then after that, I call a function that says convert this string of characters into a number. So basically you turn, let's say like this, right? I think I get it. Okay, so it's not that difficult. So basically you get an, where was a P? You get an unknown number of bytes. You look at the first byte. It tells you you load in that many. And then you're like, okay, so that many. Then you have a function somewhere in your code that takes in a character pointer, or let's say a U. I wanted to do Control U to undo, but I guess that's not how you undo. Control Z. Into the function you put in the U8 pointer and the number of U8s to load. Let's say 3. And the function spits you out an integer number, an array index. Correct? The array index is for your atlas. That's what it does. Huh? What's my stream scene? What happened? Lol? Sorry. Lol. What the hell? How long has this been for here? So basically this is what happens. Basically you get a U8 pointer array of unknown length. You read the first. It tells you you need to load 3. Then you have a function that takes in a U8 pointer, how many slots to load. And then it returns you an integer, basically an index, into the glyph. And the glyph is something you load beforehand. So for each Chinese character, starting from, I know, they will be sorted some way, right? Starting from 1 to, I don't know, 20,000. It will assign each character an array index. And then the function, you put in this right here, and it returns you the index. Boom, it knows which, basically which character to load. And then you display that character. So basically the same with ASCII, but for ASCII you don't call a function. For ASCII you just use the number for the character. You always load the size of one character, and that would be 17 or something. And then you just do index 17 into your glyph array, boom. Right. So that's essentially the idea. Or Coffee Lava, how do you go from reading the first byte? You read bytes one by one from the stream, and depending on the number of the leading 1 bits in the first byte. 0 is 1 byte, 110 is 2 bytes, 3 bytes, 4 bytes. You consume that many continuation bytes, each starting with mask out the control bits, concentrate the payload bits, and convert the result to a 21-bit value corresponding to a Unicode point. Yeah, okay, I'll read the DMs later. Okay. Good. Yeah, we might start working on localization tomorrow then. Since we will have a little bit more time. I think that would be an interesting programming experience on stream. And I can do the shorts and set up the IGN trailer and email stuff. I need to email IGN for the trailer. I need to change the trailer a bit. And yeah, I'll do the boring marketing stuff on off stream, and then we'll do the interesting programming stuff on stream. And then when we are done with localization, which I would assume will take a week. Let's say it takes a week. The coding for that, right? The coding. Not having a game localized, but the coding, the support for that. I think it'll take a week. And then we have 3 weeks left to get the game in a very good shape on stream. And the marketing stuff will be done off stream, like the email collections and stuff like that. Okay. Nice. Are you almost done with the game, Cakes? Yeah, like the game is mostly done. I can add 1 or 2 more levels, but for the most part, yeah. Now we are trying to optimize the release. Casey recently recommended KB text shape for integrating UTF-8 support in the recent special of the stand-up. Maybe it could be very helpful. I'll write that down. KB text shape.h. Okay, it's just a header file. Sounds nice. Need it. Yeah, then we'll put that at the top, right? Localization. KB underscore text underscore shape.h. Okay, test that. Hello there, all golden apples on YouTube. Hope you're doing good. But okay. The calendar is also really nice. Let me write that down for the future, for marketing. I don't want to miss that. So many things that you need to keep in mind or learn, right? I didn't know half these things when I started marketing, guys. It's important though. Many of these things are very, very important. Yeah, and if you guys want to do a bundle on the Tower Defense Fest, hit me up, okay? If you're making a Tower Defense game, if you have a Tower Defense game out there, we can see if there's a way to do bundles. I'll also try to get, which I won't, but Bloons and Kingdom Rush. But hey, they won't accept me, but it's worth a shot, right? We'll see how we get there. You need a text shaper if you want to draw Arabic, for example. But can't you just do an atlas? Like a PNG file? Pre-bake those? That's what GNOME seems to be doing. Anyways, guys, I think I'm good for now. My wife's waiting on me and she's gonna be super mad. But it is how it is. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna rate anyone. It's gonna take too long. Sorry, guys. I'll rate one tomorrow, okay? Anyways, I'll see you all tomorrow, okay? Have a wonderful day. Need to leave. I couldn't check everything, man. Like, it's a bit much now. We need to talk about it tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I'm sorry that it's gonna be a late release, but hopefully you now understand why I'm really